GameFi, the fusion of gaming and decentralized finance, DeFi, has emerged as a highly promising sector within the blockchain industry. With its distinctive amalgamation of entertainment and financial prospects, GameFi initiatives have captivated the interest of visionary individuals worldwide. At its core, GameFi represents the convergence of gaming and decentralized technologies. One of the primary benefits of GameFi is the play-to-earn model, which offers players the ability to generate income by participating in gameplay activities. GameFi also introduces the concept of virtual asset ownership, where players have true ownership and control over their in-game items and characters. For entrepreneurs, GameFi offers a multitude of opportunities. By entering this space, entrepreneurs can tap into a rapidly growing market that combines the passion and engagement of gaming with the potential for financial gains. Developing a successful GameFi project requires meticulous planning, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of the target audience and market dynamics. Behind every successful GameFi project is a strong and diverse team with complementary skills. Developing GameFi projects requires entrepreneurs to navigate the complex legal landscape, which can vary across jurisdictions. By addressing legal considerations, entrepreneurs can mitigate legal risks and ensure a compliant and legally sound GameFi project. Launching a GameFi project successfully requires effective marketing and user acquisition strategies. Venturing into the world of GameFi can be a rewarding and challenging experience for entrepreneurs. By following the guidelines outlined in this article, entrepreneurs can navigate the complexities of GameFi development. To read the full article, please visit the page https://malcolmtan.net/